Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the pre-collision system in Toyota RAV4. Okay, first we need to open up the settings, click on OK on your steering wheel. Now using the arrows we need to go to the downside until we find the PCS. Now we need to hold the OK button, and now below we can turn it off by clicking the OK. Now select yes, and now the pre-collision system has been turned off. Now if you want to turn it on, click on OK, and now it's again turned on. Alright, and that's all in the video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.